Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. First, we're going to fold this paper from the diagonals. Now again fold it from the center part. Now flip it and fold it from the sides like we're doing here. After this, we're going to gently press it like this and make the star shape. Let's make the partitions now. So we're going to open all the sides and look, your container is ready. We're going to make a solution of water and glue. Now we're going to roll this thread around the balloon, pop out the balloon, and we're going to decorate the ball. Now we're making a dragon here, and look, your beautiful dragon lamp is ready. We're going to make this fun turtle craft. So cut the base of the paper cup and make multiple cut from the side. Now we're going to cut the transparent sheet and paste it on the top of this cardboard piece. Now we're going to make the eyes of the turtle and paste all of them on the cardboard piece. Put all of them together. Now we're going to color it further, paste the legs, and look, it is ready. Here we're going to cut the straw and we're going to need a bamboo stick as well. After this, we're going to dip the tissue paper on the water, cut small pieces and fill the straw like this, and look, your arrow is ready. Here we're going to make the flower, so color it red and then take a straw and paste all the pista shells around it, and look, your beautiful hangings are ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.